favorite.
We made it to Jungle Cruise. Let's take a look.
All of those people up there on the dock. Oh yes, guys, wave like you really mean it, okay? Because I really mean it when I say you're never going to see them ever again. But you've never met any of them before, and well, I personally cannot stand my coworkers up there, so that one is actually a favor to you guys. Yeah, you're welcome, I promise. I really do hate some of those guys. Well, is this anybody's first time aboard the Jungle Cruise? Any first time ever Jungle Cruise riders? Oh, well, awesome, awesome. Me too. Wow. We are in this together. Yeah, it's almost like we're in the same situation. Well, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Deirdre. Today I'm going to be your skipper, your guide, your dance instructor, your therapist, the sister you never had, the daughter you never wanted, and if you don't laugh at my jokes today, then I will also be your swimming instructor. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to swim. We're going to be on our journey down the Amazon River, and up here on our left, the first thing we're going to be passing is Inspiration Falls. You know, they say it's called Inspiration Falls because if you stare at its rushing water long enough, the more it will inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling pretty inspired. So let's continue down the Congo River and see just how far we can go. Now, if anybody here has never seen the Jungle Book, amazing news, because it's right over there. Yeah, you're welcome. We really do change lives here at the Jungle Cruise. I know what the heck we're going to be passing a real fan favorite, boats, baits, and... you know, usually they do tend to lure in quite the crowd when I can't seem to see anybody. Canoe? Yeah, that's the best joke I'm going to tell the entire time. So I guess it's going to be a really fun 6 weeks left together. On our left, we're going to be passing one of our most lovable creatures, the python. You know, they can get quite the crush on you. Definitely a constricting relationship you don't want to get wrapped up into. But don't ask me how I know that. Okay, so up here on our right, we're actually going to be passing by my camp, which, as you can see, as we take over my girls, for the first time this week. Yeah, this is really great news. I'm going to overlook what they did to my Jeep. They painted it blue. Well, I think it is best we head on out of here and continue down the Nile River. You know, it is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles. And, Niles and Niles. So if you don't believe me, then you are in disbelief. On the other left, we are going to be passing by an African elephant. Now, did you know that elephants actually have the greatest memory of all the animals in the jungle? Oh, I wish I had a memory like that. And on the other right, we're going to be passing by an African elephant. Now, did you know that elephants actually have the greatest memory of all the animals in the jungle? I know. I wish I had a memory like that. We're going to start making our way into the African belt. You're going to see an amazing variety of wildlife. Those really tall things up in the back, yeah, guys, those are just called trees. Up in the middle, we have some 1971 Chevy Impalas. Over there, we have some very scary-looking chickens. Ow, look at all those chickens. Oh, and then if you look up on the rocks, you're going to see a line of lions watching over a sleeping stripy horse. Now, that is just so sweet of him. Yeah, he does kind of look dead. Oh, no. He's dead. Tired. Well, I think it is best we let him rest in pieces and head on out of here. Alright, well, this is awkward. So, you guys see all those explorers up there? I have to put them over and over again. Cannot provoke the wildlife, though, but hey, just a lowly little skipper, what do I know? Well, I'm sure they all got the point of it in the end. We're going to start making our way into crocodile country. Up here on the right, we are going to be passing by a pair of frogs. The big one on the left is named Smiley, and look at his cute little smile. Now the one next to him is named Ginger. But you'll be careful with Ginger, folks, because Ginger snaps. She really is one tough cookie. Alright, folks, if you all look straight ahead, you are going to see the most beautiful part of our entire tour. And then if you look behind me, you're going to be seeing Schweitzer Falls. It is named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. You know what, if you don't remember his name, totally don't worry about it. We will be going over that later. I know that you guys all feel that really nice mist. It is actually home to over 3,000 different types of jungle bacteria. If you don't feel it now, you'll probably feel it in about 24 to 48 hours, and you should definitely go see a doctor. A question that I get all the time is, Skipper Deirdre, how did you land your job out in the Jungle Cruise? And I will say it is pretty plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've just been winging it ever since. Unfortunately, my career never really took off quite like I thought it would. My parents are super proud of my sister. She's a doctor, and I dropped out of college and tried those circles all day, so you can just guess who their favorite is. Oh no, well it looks like we're now surrounded by some hungry hippos. Oh, you know, last week they did actually sink 6 of our boats. Oh, right, don't worry. Do not stress about that one, guys. There's only 5 of them are mine, so we'll probably be fine. Another thing that I hear all of the time is, Skipper Deirdre, your job is just so easy. A monkey could do it. But I'm here to prove you wrong, though. Because those are just a bunch of kids and babies. But here on our left, though, as we round this corner, we're going to be passing by just a couple more chimps, and they're having a little late-night snack of some margarine flies. Now, I know what you're all thinking. I can't believe they're not butterflies. But you know, folks, butterflies really just are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Well, folks, it is the moment that you have all been waiting for. It is the reason that many of you rode the Jungle Cruise today. It is the amazing, the magnificent, the awe-inspiring, the jaw-dropping, it is the age wonder of the world.
Go that side of water!
Yeah, that one never gets old. Unless you're me. Then you do get to see it about every 10 to 12 minutes for hours on end every single day while people stare at you. Yeah, I really am living the dream. Not mine, but probably somebody's out there. Anyways, let's continue down the Mekong River in Cambodia. I don't know about you guys, but that scary looking temple up there is Mekong me nervous. You know, it looks just like the one they told me not to drive into. But I don't know how to turn around. So it was really nice meeting you guys. You know, a lot of people think that it's water coming out of their trunks, but I am here to tell you, it's not. And before I forget, I do have one more fun fact for you guys. Now, did you guys know that elephants actually have the greatest memory of all the animals in the jungle? I know. I wish I had a memory like that. Yeah, I would probably be a lot better at my job. Folks, last but not least, we are now going to be passing by Trader Sam's Lost and Found. I mean, Trader Sam's gift shop. Because it's definitely not an old Lost and Found or anything like that, that's for sure. Well, I don't actually see Trader Sam anywhere up there. He's probably out and about in the park gathering some more merchandise. You know, you will not believe all the kind of cool stuff that people just leave in their strollers out in the open. Well, if you see anything up there that happens to belong to you, totally don't worry about it. If you can prove it, you can get a very generous discount of up to 30% off, and we will probably get it to you eventually. There's actually a lot of cool stuff up there in the gift shop, though. We have so many hats. I cannot stress that one enough. A great variety, though, all different kinds, shapes, and sizes. If you need help finding a hat that works for you, just ask any of us skippers, because we are experts at capsizing, so we can really help you guys out. When folks, we've laughed together, we've cried together. I know I certainly did. Well, we very nearly died together, whether you knew it or not. And that kind of makes us like a family. And just like any family, about 10 minutes of quality time in the middle of the Magic Kingdom can be sometimes just a bit too much. So I will be getting off my road as soon as humanly possible, don't you worry. You know, you really have been great. Some would say outstanding, but I would vastly prefer that you all were outstanding. Up on the dock. So as we approach the dock, please remain fully seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, please supervise your children, because I do not get paid enough to do that. I'm kidding. That was just a joke. I don't get paid at all. And this is actually court ordered. considered community service. Just please don't ask why. I actually can't talk about that anymore. Not since the incident. Well, guys, I am going to leave you all with a few words with so much love. Now, my parents actually said to me on my 18th birthday, you know, they sat me down and they told me, Skipper Deirdre, happy birthday. I said, thanks, Skipper Mom, Skipper Dad. It's a family name, you know. They told me happy birthday, we love you so much. But unfortunately, your free ride is over. So it's time for you to pack up all of your personal belongings and get out.